I'm Vincent, and this is my friend Alban, a mountain guy and ice diving expert.
As two adventurers, we have come to explore the submerged faces of icebergs, these gigantic blocks of ice carried inexorably along by currents from the Arctic Ocean. We don't really know what awaits us in this secret world, but we hope to discover some fabulous creatures. To do this, we intend to kayak between the only two communities on the entire east coast of Greenland, one of the most inhospitable places on Earth. A 1,000-kilometer-long expedition through the ice with no human contact.
It's going to flip over in front of us, and then we'll be panicking.
End of August. This is when the ice melt reaches its peak. We know it's late in the season to be venturing here before the winter imprisons everything, but it's also the ideal moment to get up close to drifting icebergs and dive under the ice.
We're completely stuck.
Feels like there's no way out.
I've had enough.
The countdown has begun. It's imperative we reach our destination before the end of October, or we'll be at the mercy of the storms, the newly forming sea ice, and the polar night.
The past few days, progress has been hindered by the fog clinging to the fjords. The lack of vision has plunged us into a kind of melancholic torpor,
making us seem even more cut off from the world. But once the sun re-emerged from the fog, we had an extraordinary encounter. The Inuits had told me that the polar bear, one of the most fearsome predators in the world, never hunts in the water. But I didn't know how close I could get. I had the feeling my presence had drawn him out of pure curiosity. After giving me this marvelous gift, he proudly swam off, just as he had appeared.
I don't know if you saw him. He put his head in the water.
Yeah.
Like he was looking at me. It has to be one of the most incredible experiences in my life.
Back on dry land, we make a stop at Deception Island, a bleak, gray piece of rock that really lives up to its name. September 12th. We're almost halfway, and the going gets tougher. That was hairy, huh?
Did you see my thing go sideways? I always get the damn breakers.
Same here. I ended up in the water. The rudder hit a rock and a wave carried me off.
You fell in the water too?
Yes. What a great way to start the day. A nice little fright. Accidents happen fast.
Yeah, we have to be ultra careful.
I hope my kayak hasn't sprung a leak because of the impact.
We're heading to a little island that doesn't have a name on the map. Distance is 11 nautical miles. Right now, as we're making slow progress, it says 20 to 25 hours. That seems a bit long to me, and it's due southwest. It's more in that direction. 25 hours did seem long and kind of unlikely for just 20 kilometers.
Particularly with the brash ice, the millions of blocks that break off glaciers as they reach the sea.
A swell in the brash ice is quite something. No matter how much we try to go around it, it's still everywhere. It looks a hell of a mess up ahead, huh?
Yes. We're going to have to slalom.
There's ice on all sides. We've no choice but to go through it.
Listen, let's try to stay on course.
I think we should go around it. Head further out to sea to avoid all these, ice cubes.
We could go that way, to the left of that iceberg,
Yeah, it might be better.
and then head out to sea.
Yeah.
Okay?
Alban's coming. Maybe it's time for a break. You all right?
The closest shore, there, is still 10 kilometers away.
Yeah.
So if we have a major problem, we won't be able to swim to shore. Are you all right?
I have to check. I've been taking on water. I think since the collision this morning.
Really? You mean you're sinking?
I get the feeling the kayak's taking on water.
Yeah, well, you better check. How about we head for a beach?
I guess we've got to decide whether we use the resin for this small hole or keep it for something more serious. Because this is manageable. I can bail every 2 hours.
Yeah?
It's a stopgap solution, but maybe we should keep the resin we have in case we get a bigger hole. Ah, beautiful Greenland and its fine sandy beaches.
What a disaster.
Oh, God. The brash ice is very dense up ahead. We're going to have to reach the shore eventually to set up camp. Sleeping out at sea really isn't an option. Things aren't looking good, though. I haven't said anything to Alban yet, but with my kayak full of icy water, I'm losing the feeling in my feet. We're not getting anywhere. I'm dead beat. The problem is I'm losing feeling in my feet. I can still feel one of them when I pushed out on the pedal, but I can tell they're starting to go numb. So I guess we should stop real soon and get warm. If we don't, we're going to end up getting hypothermia when the sun goes down, and if we haven't eaten.
I suggest we paddle along the ice toward there.
Yeah, it's sweet of you to suggest something, but it's the only solution anyways.
Hang on.
Come on, don't despair, don't despair.
Hey, hang on. If I'd listened to you, we'd have paddled for 5 hours.
No way,
Huh?
I'm messing with you. Messing with you, playing the devil's advocate, that's all.
Yeah, well, I'm out of here. If you love me, follow me.
You'll thank me later anyways.
Yeah? You're right, yeah.
See you then.
I'd be happy to camp there, but you don't want to.
No way am I camping on an iceberg. Camp on an iceberg? And why not sleep in our kayaks while we're at it? The sun is starting to go down. Can't land here. Damn, this is getting really tough. It's a trap.
What?
This is a real trap.
We're trapped like rats. Turning back is impossible. We're completely stuck. We're going to have to sleep here.
We need to eat fast. I'm freezing.
Let's boil some water.
We'll spend the night here as soon as the ice clears, or I don't know.
I don't know either. We'll let you know tomorrow if we're still alive, that is.
Hold on to it, it'll fall in the water.
No. Damn it.
I've no idea which way we're drifting. We'll see at daybreak tomorrow.
Right. Well, maybe see you tomorrow.
I haven't a clue what time it is. But we're still surrounded by brash ice. Alban is hiding in his survival blanket.
I'm freezing.
We're still stuck, basically. I think we should start paddling to warm ourselves up. The water isn't very far away. If we manage to get out of here, we can go ashore somewhere or other.
Let's beat it.
Yeah, there's no point going that way.
No, hey, open water, huh? Now all we need is a storm.
There's only one way to get out of here, and that's to get in the water and free our kayaks.
It's 7:30 a.m. I'm trying to put my suit on in the kayak because basically we're trapped by the ice. Ah,
This is pretty damn tough.
for sure.
God, it's gonna feel good to be back in open water.
Ah, jeez, it's frozen.
Will you be okay? Yay, it works. What a guy. He's gone to get the other kayak. It's hard work, but it does work. We're maybe a third of the way to the ice-free zone up ahead of us. Still very far. Maybe a fifth of the way, or maybe a tenth. Come on, buddy! Great! Yes, ice-free water. Awesome. We're gonna be able to move at last.
God damn it, what a hassle. I won't forget this anytime soon. I'm beat.
We're dead on our feet. I can't feel my toes and my fingers anymore. We almost died. A few hours more and we'd have gotten hypothermia, the big sleep.
We could easily get trapped and never make it out of here alive, seeing how much ice there is. What do you think?
We've been in our kayaks for almost 36 hours now. We have to stop. We'll see about that later.
It's a deal. We'll stop here.
Come on, then. Let's set up camp.
Vincent is exhausted, and as if we didn't have enough problems, we have to smash up the ice so the tide doesn't carry the kayaks out to sea.
1, 2, 3.
Do you want me to climb up there, too?
No, push it from the back.
It's long. 4 hours freezing in the pitch dark, wondering if we'll ever see another sunrise.
I paddled all day thinking about this moment. Oh, the long-awaited moment. I'm staying put now. Oh. A night like that does wonders.
Yeah, right. God, it does feel good.
Yeah.
I don't want to get up.
Oh, me either.
I'm tired.
Makeshift repair. If it slows down the leak, it'd be good. So I'm sick of bailing out water every hour. My feet are in the water, my ass is in the water. We'll see if that works.
It must be an electrical problem.
I'm dismantling the solar panel's diode. Looks pretty wet. It's not charging the battery anymore.
Ah, great, another problem.
All right, look at this.
Oh, wow, damn it.
Hardly surprising it's not charging.
Oh, this thing is really messed up.
Yeah, well, I give it a good clean, but I'm not too optimistic.
Oh, the only other solution is to connect it directly.
Without... oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It had better not blow the solar panel, though. Is it going to work?
No, I can't guarantee it. In theory, yes. I mean, it should, but, you know, let's test it first. It works. Isn't that something?
Are you sure?
Yeah, we've been saved. For now, at least. To be continued.
Things are getting seriously complicated. We're still a long way from Tassilak. Winter is setting in. The battery had better not give up on us or we won't be able to get the weather forecasts. Alban hasn't said anything, but our night spent in the brash ice was a pretty traumatic experience. We're not as carefree as when we set off this morning.
You coming?
I just have to get out of all this ice and I'll be on my way. Ice at night, ice in the morning, ice all day. Why am I stuck now? Sick of this.
What's the problem?
Ah,
Oh, that's terrible.
you've got nothing on the back now.
Nope.
Can we change it in the water or do we need to go ashore?
Let's try and change it in the water.
Okay,
I guess we're not gonna do 42 kilometers today.
for sure. We're gonna lower our average.
That's not good news.
Right.
I'm so bummed out. I got squashed between the two icebergs and thrown. I heard this loud, crack.
Yeah? Port or starboard?
Starboard, I think. No, the other side, the other side.
That's it. I've done it. It's okay. Wow.
Wow.
La 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 la.
See, and you only wanted to take one. We're going to make it. We're going to make it. I have confidence in Vince.
To think we should already be in the Bahamas by now. This is crazy.
How many kilometers have we done today?
450 meters. We set out 90 minutes ago.
Oh, that's not good.
Don't moan. Look, the sun's coming out.
Great.
Yeah, there are 2 or 3 bits of elastic. If I remove the axle, it should be okay. I'll take out the pin. Right, the axle, and the rudder. There we go.
Great.
Hand me the new one. The bolt is too small for the axle.
Are you doing this on purpose? You gotta be kidding.
It isn't the right diameter.
Damn, it could have been so easy.
But no, the hole is too small.
Yeah, we're good otherwise, though, huh?
Can you test it to see? Is it working?
Ha, nice. You are so smart, Vince. You're my hero.
Come on, let's go.
Thanks a lot.
What a relief. We've covered 620 kilometers since we set off a month ago. We should have already been hit by the September storms. I can't get over this anticyclone. Our little problems are soon forgotten as we make good headway in this fabulous setting. We can feel the power of nature here, and we're really lucky the conditions are so favorable. If it wasn't for them, I don't think we've ever gotten this far.
See how clear the water is?
It's incredible, huh? Under the icebergs, I had visibility of about 20 to 30 meters. It was amazing. I've never seen anything like it.
Oh, wow.
I feel like I'm gliding over an ocean of emptiness. Makes me feel dizzy. The current has carved these lines, shaped the ice, sculpted these bas-reliefs. With the cold and the winter, all life has disappeared, except for this tiny pteropod. Where has it taken refuge? These icy structures have been carved into delicate, contoured canyons, just as the wind makes its mark on the desert sand. I'd like to think this iceberg is releasing bubbles from another age, air trapped in the ice millions of years ago. I feel like I've been swallowed up by a whale. I savor these ephemeral forms, this unique dive. At the same cardinal point, no one could ever imagine this remarkable scenery.
When the Great Freeze sets in, the ice field will reform inside the fjords. The freezing seawater will be too thick for us to paddle through, yet too fragile for us to walk on.
Personally, even if we do face difficulties, I'll get to discover the hidden face of this young ice field, a closed-off world, both frightening and wondrous, that incites introspection and reflection.
Oh, we should have just stayed in bed.
On our route through the ice, we'll sometimes have to humbly accept defeat.
We've been paddling for 3 hours. That means another 3 hours in the ice. At this rate, we won't get to Tasselak till Christmas.